Welcome! My name is Majira and I'm a librarian who's going to be showing you how to make homemade buttered popcorn. Once the butter is melted, we will put it aside and let it sit for about 3 minutes while we make the popcorn. So we are making 4 quarts of popcorn today. For that amount, we will need half a cup of popcorn kernels and 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So as you finish popping the popcorn and you take it off the stove, open up the lid to let the steam come out. So now you have your homemade buttered popcorn ready for your next movie night with the DVDs that you checked out from the library. Thanks for watching, and if you do end up making popcorn, let us know how it turned out.